How do you send snap from camera roll as normal snaps without filter? So if you're trying to send a photo from your camera roll as a normal snap or Snapchat, here's what you need to know. Open Snapchat and swipe up to access memories. Then tap camera roll and select the photo you want to send. Now, depending on your version of Snapchat, photos imported from your camera roll may still be labeled as coming from memories or camera roll. Snapchat does this automatically, and there's currently no official setting that lets you completely disguise an old photo as a freshly taken snap. However, you can still send the image directly to friends by tapping the send button and choosing your recipients. If you're not seeing the option you expected, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, and just keep in mind that Snapchat regularly changes how camera roll photos are displayed. So some methods you may have seen online might no longer work. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.